my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a at-home facial with you guys. I already showed you guys my morning skincare routine and my nighttime skincare routine, which is like an everyday thing, very basic. Like that's an everyday thing. That's not something I would do if I was pampering myself. We all have those skincare routines where we probably do it like once a week, and most times we do it on the weekend because we feel like we don't have as much time for it, or we consider it a pamper routine. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my advanced skincare routine at home, and why not just give myself a full facial. Okay guys, so I got into something more comfortable because I'm about to get a little messy. I also have on gloves because it just makes me feel more comfortable to wear gloves because I'm not at my sink. As you can see, I'm not in my bathroom area. When I do my basic skincare routine, I do it in my bathroom because that's just everyday washing up, stuff like that. But when it comes to me actually giving myself a legit facial, I like to sit at my desk because I have my big mirror here, and I like to have this so I can really examine my skin just like I would a client's. And I'm gonna also be doing some things with some things that require electricity as well. So I just want to be sitting down comfortable doing what I'm doing. I have my layout over here, like it's legit giving myself a facial. So I'm gonna start off by trying to take my lashes off. Oh, they came off very easy. Sometimes my lashes have a hard time coming off, and sometimes they come right off on their own. And sometimes I have to use some of my oil-based cleanser to remove them. Now I look crazy. Then I'm gonna go in with a 4x4 and dampening it in my water. And I'm gonna take off my lipstick first, only because I don't want that to mix all over my face with all the rest of my stuff, because I don't want the wax from my lipstick going inside of my pores. The first product I'm going to be using is my Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse. I like to double cleanse my skin, so I'm going to use my pre-cleanse first. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like, but I have all my stuff measured over here. It's all over my gloves. And I just go in and massage my face and loosen up that product. It's an oil slick. Look at that. And when I have real clients, if they were to come in with makeup, this is literally exactly what I would do. With this product, you have to go back in once you massage and clean your face. You go back in and you emulsify, which is just adding water to the oil. And it just helps it loosen up more. See, when you add water, the oil like melts away. This is not like a regular oil when you just, I look crazy as hell. This oil mixes with water, and when you add water to the oil, it breaks down the product further. Now I'm gonna go in with my sponges and just remove this product from my face. Of course, I'll have to rinse my face a couple of times, but for the most part, it took everything with it. I'm gonna go in with this micro peel cleanser. It's a glycolic acid cleanser. Love this stuff. It's in this little cup. I'm just showing you the packaging. This was the cleanser I used in my nighttime skincare routine, and because it's the end of my day, it's not nighttime yet, but it's almost nighttime, and this is the last time I'll be washing my face today. I'll be doing this. Also, if you're gonna be using a bowl of water next to you the way I am, because when you go to a spa, this is what they do. Change your water out as much as you need to, because this water will get dirty. You're not just at a sink. It's just all the stuff that you would usually rinse down the sink is sitting in a bowl. All of my makeup is in this bowl. I wish I could show y'all better. Let's see. There we go. All that makeup I just washed off in oil is in this bowl. And usually it's a lot cleaner, but because I had makeup on today, it's a lot dirtier. So I'm gonna go get new water. So I got clean water. I'm just gonna wet my hands now so I can move that soap around on my face. Now I'm gonna rinse that off. I also like doing my facial at home with these sponges because they help exfoliate my skin more. And exfoliating my skin will get some of these breakouts to go away faster. So now I'm going to tone my skin. Only when I give myself facials, not for my skincare routine, but when I give myself a facial to actually like help my skin and stuff like that, I like to do the 7-step toning process. I don't even know if it's actually 7 steps. That's what my teacher called it at school. So basically you tone after you cleanse. And I just cleanse twice. I use pre-cleanse and a glycolic acid cleanser just to help with my skin. And then I'm gonna go in right now and use an exfoliating cleansing powder. It's not cleansing, but it's an exfoliant, but it's still like a soap form, so it is gonna cleanse my skin further. But it's mainly used to be an exfoliant, and you tone after that, and you tone after a mask. You tone after basically every step, just to continue to have your skin return back to its normal pH balance, so it's not going through so many shocks. I'm gonna be using the Micro Daily Exfoliant by Dermalogica. I have mine in this cup. You can't really see it. It's just a white powder. The way I learned in school to work with this product is to mix it up, and it turns into a foam, as you can see. So you just mix it up inside of a bowl, and then you whip it real good like you're whipping an egg. I just got some on the floor. And then it turns into a nice foam. And now you just brush that foam onto your face. So then I'll just massage it in. Just like if I was using like a scrub or anything like that, because that's literally what it is, an exfoliating scrub. But it's just micro to the point where it's not too harsh, so you can use it every single day. And I just exfoliate my face for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna tone my skin again. So this is one of the advanced skincare treatments I like to do on myself. This is called a skin scrubber. So basically what you do, it looks like this. And you turn it on, and once it's turned on, you wet your face. I'm gonna use toner to wet my face because whenever my face has to be wet for skincare, I always wanna use toner because it has benefits in it, so it's helping me twice. But yeah, so I'm gonna wet my face, and then you just turn it on, and then you basically use it and you push up against the oily parts of your face where you can do it on your whole face, but for me, because I do this often, I'm going to just go in on the problem areas on my face, which is gonna be my T-zone for today, and just focus on getting some of that excess oil out of that area. And I may or may not have a lot. Hopefully I do have a lot to show you guys, but I do take care of my skin, so I may or may not have a lot. So I'm just gonna spray my nose area because that's the area I'm gonna be working on first. Turn it on. You see I have some red marks on my face and my nose, and down here it's a little tender. It's a little red because of the pressing, but it didn't hurt. I got this from Amazon. This will be listed in the description box below. This is a skin scrubber. The next thing I'm gonna do is go in with this mask. I'm gonna find the mask and probably put it on the screen. I completely forget the name of this mask. I just know it's very expensive and it's by Dermalogica. And to apply all of my masks, if you've been watching my videos lately, I use this small fan brush. I'm just gonna apply this mask on, and then I'm gonna let it sit on my face for 7 to 10 minutes. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna rinse it off. I got some new water while I was waiting for my mask to sit, which is actually what I would do for a client as well. While their mask is sitting for the 7 to 10 minutes, if I haven't refreshed their water yet because it hasn't needed to be, I will refresh the water at that point anyway, even if it was still kind of clean. I'm gonna tone my skin again. So my next step is high frequency. It looks like this. This is my high frequency tool. So I'm gonna read it just to give you guys an accurate description, but high frequency helps for most skin issues, It helps with treating acne. It improves fine lines and wrinkles. It tightens saggy skin. It reduces dark circles and eye puffiness. And I have dark circles and eye puffiness, and of course I want to help anti-aging. If you've been watching my skincare videos, you know I keep talking about anti-aging is very important to me, because at the end of the day, all of us are going to get older. It's inevitable. I'm just trying to make sure I look good as long as possible. So high frequency helps with that. Also, high frequency can kill bacteria that causes acne, so I can zap that and it should be gone. It heals up to 90% faster. I'm going to start off by using the mushroom head, and whenever I do high frequency, I always use a gall. I really don't know the reason for using a gall. I need to read up on that some more. I don't know the reason. I thought it was just because we were using the high frequency on the client, but I've seen people use high frequency without a gall, but I'm gonna do it with a gall because that's the way I learn. I'm just unfolding it. It was a 2x2 gall, which looked like a little 2x2 square, and then it just unwraps and then the gall gets really big. I'm gonna just put the gall down and I'll turn my high frequency up to a comfortable level for me, because I remember one time I zapped myself. This is electricity, and I'm just gonna, you can hear when I touch my skin how it's doing. You can hear when I touch my skin how it's doing. I'm just gonna rub that around my face, and I'm gonna rub each location for about 2 minutes. So now I'm gonna move into serums. Once I get done with my cleansing and my mask and things like that, I move into my final steps, which is applying all of my serums and stuff to my face. I'm gonna start off with my glycolic acid because it is nighttime. So during the nighttime, I like to use glycolic acid, which helps to renew the skin overnight. Then I'm gonna go in with collagen, which helps to plump up your skin. Our skin naturally produces, our body naturally produces collagen. So collagen is just something you should put back into yourself because it's what gives you that youthful everything. Collagen even is produced in your joints to help them be moisturized and stuff like that. So collagen is good for us, and we naturally lose that over time. Then I'm gonna go in with my vitamin C serum by Mixed Easy. I talked about this serum in one of my recent skincare videos. I think it was my morning skincare routine. I work with a brand and I love their vitamin C serum and their face wash. Then I'm gonna go in with my salicylic acid, which is gonna help with these breakouts. Salicylic acid helps with breakouts and hyperpigmentation. So it's gonna help me get rid of some of the dark spots from my previous breakouts, and it's gonna help to kill the bacteria. Ooh, and that burns, wow. It's gonna help to kill the bacteria in these new breakouts so they can go away quicker. So today's video is actually sponsored by this brand. This brand is called Deminuage Skincare. They contacted me and asked me that I want to try an electric microneedler, which is something you can still use daily. If you watch my nighttime skincare routine, then you guys know I already use a micro needle roller. So there's already something that is in my skincare routine faithfully already. So when they contacted me saying they had an electric version and I saw the videos for it, I definitely wanted to try it. So nice. This is what it looks like. They sent me a box of stuff. So the most important part is the Nano Pen. And this is basically an electric micro needler, which not like the ones at the salon, like basically it's something you can use every day at home, very safe. They give it to you in this little bag, which is super cute. It looks like this. They have one that can be recharged, and they also have one that can have batteries. This one has batteries. They sent me disposable nano chips. It comes with the booster nano chip, and it also comes with the daily nano chips. So you can literally do this every day. This one's a little bit more intense than this one. These ones you can use every day. I haven't used this in a few days, so today I'm gonna use the booster chip, and they're all disposable. So they come in these little bags that kind of look like when you go to a hospital and the stuff, like the needles come in a little surgical bag. It kind of looks like that. So you just use this one time and you throw it in the trash. And this was so cool to me, opening it and seeing that it came in like these little surgical looking bags was so crazy to me. I was like, wow. And it goes like this, and you just screw it on. It looks just like that. And you, I wonder if you guys can see it. You turn it up. It does not hurt at all. It's completely non-invasive. They also gave me these serums. You can't really see it because my camera lighting is pretty bright, but I'm just gonna take it out. And see, I'm missing one out of here. But it came with these serums, and these are brightening serums. And when I think brightening serums, I think vitamin C. It says, yeah, brightening serum, but it doesn't say that it's vitamin C, so I'm not gonna assume, but it does say that it's a brightening serum, which I love brightening anything. I talk about it all the time. So every serum comes with this piece here, which you take off the top. You pop this piece off here, and then you put this on the top. It looks like this. And you just make sure you break that top piece off. And then you take this little piece here, has some holes at the top, and then you stick this right on top of here. And then you basically just push that serum into your face. And you can see the little droplets of the serum on my face coming out. And you use this whole thing on your face. I don't remember in the demonstration video if they rubbed it in, but I'm just gonna rub this serum in the way I do all of my serums. I'm just gonna read the brand's introduction to this product so that you can have a detailed description by them. Deminuage is an innovative skincare line that uses quick pour technology to help combat fine line, wrinkles, dark spots, blemishes, and more. The Deminuage Prime Pen attaches to a nano chip, which is powered by a grid of tips, each 1,000 times smaller than a human hair. When applied to the face, the microscopic grid helps transport serum deeper into the skin, allowing for 10 to 20 times better absorption of active ingredients. So now I'm gonna go in with my nano pen. And like they said, this helps the products to penetrate 10 to 20 times deeper into your skin. And it doesn't hurt at all. It's completely painless. And it's very, very safe. And you can add this to your skincare routine super easy. Just like you just saw me do, I just added all of my serums in, and I'm using this as my very last step. So you can see my skin looks really, really good. It gives you instant results. Like literally my skin looks so good. It looks so plump. My serums are in there. I feel great. My face feels very relaxed. That vibration action made my face relax a lot, which I really like. You kind of get carried away just doing it to your face because it feels good as well. Like it doesn't hurt at all. So I realized that my face also feels relaxed, which the product does not say it does. That's not one of the benefits, but my face does feel very relaxed. So it's very nice that that's the last step to my skincare routine, and I feel relaxed after that. I've been getting into pimple patches lately, and you guys can tell I have a pimple. So I'm gonna go in with these. My friend Liz got me these. Mine look like butterflies. So I'm just gonna get one of these, and they work. I even used one of these on my back, and it was amazing. I'm just gonna stick that little butterfly right there over top of my pimple. I'm not gonna put it everywhere because the rest of these are kind of blackheads in a sense. But this one's an actual pimple. So I'm gonna put that and cover that up. And low key by the morning, this pimple will probably be gone because that's what's been happening with these things. So I'm obsessed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. As you can see, I am all clean and fresh and looking good. I'm about to go lay down and watch some TV. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys get your hands on some of these products because it can amp up your skincare routine. And some of them are good for you overall, like anti-aging. I'm so grateful for you guys checking this out. I know I've been putting out a lot of skincare videos, but I feel like skincare is most important because it helps with your confidence, it helps you look good, it helps you feel good. With or without makeup, skincare is gonna make you look good. So it's just like, I feel like skincare is most important. And you can also take some of these tips down to your body because skin is skin no matter where it is. And you can start to get into things around your whole body to take care of. Like some people have eczema on their whole body and need to do more extensive skincare. Like me, I have eczema. One day I'm gonna come out with my body routine so you guys can see how I take care of my eczema, but we'll get there. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.